How to fix Messenger video call sound issues. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Messenger video call sound issues. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Messenger app on your device and proceed towards the chat section of Messenger. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner and then choose the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Notifications and Sound. Make sure to toggle the button on for notifications and sound, especially in-app sounds. Once you do that, you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve sound issues. So hold on the power button on your device and choose restart and restart your device. After that, you need to manage the app notifications. For that, you need to tap and hold Messenger app and the eye icon. After that, select manage notification and then make sure to toggle the button on for allow notifications. Once you do that, your Messenger video call sound issues will be resolved. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.